You want to learn how to create starter packs on BlueSky Social. In this video, I'm going to help solve that problem. So on the website of BlueSky Social, log in and then go to Profile, and on the right, select Starter Packs. Now it will give you this which says you haven't created a starter pack yet. You can ask BlueSky to make one for you or create a new one yourself. Now you can type in here, what do you want to call your starter pack? Tell us a little more. I've typed in something here and click on next. Now you can choose people, search them, and choose those people that you want to add to your starter pack. For example, I will add some random people. Now it gives you this option next. Click on it. And then you can choose feeds. You can search them here. You can choose up to 3 feeds in your starter pack. I've selected them and let's click on finish. And it gives you this pop-up which says invite people to this starter pack. Share this starter pack and help people join your community on BlueSky. So you can share a QR code. It is going to download this to your computer as a PNG file. Or you can copy the link and share it to someone. Now next to share, we have 3 dots. You can edit this starter pack again by adding more people and such, removing them, etc. And you can also delete this starter pack by clicking this button. You've got people, you can follow them, feeds, add them, it's going to be added on the right, and the posts. All the posts that these people that you have added in your starter pack will show up over here. And that is it. This is how to create a starter pack on BlueSky Social. If this video helps solve your problem, let me know with a like and comment.